let's learn the 15 vowel sounds of American English. I will briefly introduce you to the 15 different sounds, and you will be able to see the phonetic symbols for each sound. And then after this lesson, you will study the difficult sounds in a lot more detail so that you can learn how to fix the biggest mistakes that non-native speakers make when they're trying to speak with an American accent. All right, let's take a look at the first one. The first one is E, E. Some common words include please, see, meet, believe. Say it one more time with me. E. Okay, vowel number 2 is it, this, difficult, if, dinner. Say it with me. It. Okay, vowel number 3 is A, late, gate, baseball, stay, okay. Let's say it again. A. Okay, vowel number 4 is e, bed, men, dress, friend. Say it with me. E. Vowel number 5, a, apple, man, stand, angry. Say it with me. A. Okay, let's take a look at vowel number 6. Ah, hot, topic, office, modern. Say it with me. Ah. Vowel number 7, but, done, jump, love. Say it with me. This sound is usually written like this in your dictionary, but sometimes you might also see this symbol, They're basically the same sound, Okay? Vowel number 8, aw, always, tall, bought, thought. One more time. Aw. Okay? Vowel number 9, O, go, drove, slow, moment. Repeat after me. O. Vowel number 10, book, foot, pull, push, took. Say it with me. Vowel number 11, oo, moon, shoes, room, blue. Say it with me. Ooh. Vowel number 12, first, Thursday, girl, work. Say it with me. Okay, vowel number 13, I, time, while, 9, dining. Say it with me. I. Vowel number 14, ow, now, house, brown, announce. Say it with me. Ow. And finally, vowel number 15, oi, oi, enjoy, noise, boy, annoying. Say it with me. Oi. So these are the 15 vowel sounds of American English. Now let's study them in more detail. We categorize vowels as either tense or neutral, or sometimes we say relaxed instead of the word neutral. When we say a vowel is tense, it means that our tongue is tense and sometimes our lips are also tense. For example, when I say E or when I say O, there's a lot happening. My mouth is moving and it's tense. When I say I or when I say there's not much happening in my mouth. I, My lips are relaxed and my tongue is relaxed in the back. One of the main problems that learners have with the American accent is they have not learned the difference between tense and neutral vowels. So it's very important to know the difference because otherwise you might confuse words like fool and full, or hot and hut, or still and still. Sometimes in other languages, these sounds can sound exactly the same. So let's learn the 4 neutral vowels of American English. The first one is I. So we don't say E, we say I. Very neutral, very relaxed. The second one is E. We don't say A, we say E. The third one is We don't say A, we say We don't say love, we say love, love. And the fourth one is We don't say book, we say book. In the following lessons, you will have a chance to learn in detail the differences between some of these very confusing vowel sounds. But for now, I want you to remember the 4 main neutral vowel sounds. It, and Okay, let's get started. Do you ever confuse the words steal and still, or eat and it, or feel and fill? Not knowing the difference between these 2 vowel sounds could even cause you to say a bad word. For example, some people confuse the words beach and bitch, or even worse, sometimes sheet and shit. As you can see, it's really important to know the difference between these 2 vowel sounds, and the difference sometimes doesn't exist in other languages. So let me teach you how to fix that mistake permanently. The most important thing that you need to know is that one vowel is tense and the other vowel is neutral or relaxed. And the phonetic symbols look like this. This symbol represents the E, as in words like please, steal, me, see. And these words are usually spelled with a double E, for example, see or cheese, or EA, as in please or beat, or sometimes IE or EI, as in believe. Okay, now the other thing that you need to know about this vowel is to produce it, your lips must be tense and your tongue must be tense in the back of your mouth. So, look at me. E, E. Your tongue must be tense back here, so raise your tongue up in the back and say E. To try this out, put your fingers right here, right under your jaw. E, E. Your fingers should be moving a little bit. They're moving because your tongue is tense in the back. E, E. Now for the other vowel, I, your tongue will not be moving and therefore your fingers will not be moving. Your tongue will be neutral and relaxed. I. And your lips will also be relaxed. I. And the phonetic symbol for that vowel looks like this. I. This is E and this is I. The common spelling for this sound would be the letter I, as in words like if, different, this, thing, and sometimes the letter Y if it's in the middle of the word, not at the end of the word. In the middle of the word, for example, the word system or gym. All right, let's practice a few words. Let's try the tense vowel again. E, E, C, I, this. Let's try a few words now. Feet, fit, tense and relaxed. One more time. Feet, fit. Leave, live. Leave, live. Sleep, slip. Sleep, slip. These, this. These, this. All right, let's try some sentences now. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Did you heat it? Did you hit it? He doesn't want to leave. He doesn't want to live. And now we will do some more sentences, and every example in the following sentences has the tense vowel, E. Repeat after me. She was feeling sleepy after eating the big meal. She was feeling sleepy after eating the big meal. These three people speak Chinese. These three people speak Chinese. We love the green fields and the beach breezes. We love the green fields and the beach breezes. Steve believes he will see Peter this week. Steve believes he will see Peter this week. I will leave the East Coast in 3 weeks. I will leave the East Coast in 3 weeks. And let's practice some sentences now that have the I sound. There are 6 filthy dishes in the kitchen sink. There are 6 filthy dishes in the kitchen sink. Mr. and Mrs. Smith lived in India for 6 years. Mr. and Mrs. Smith lived in India for 6